Hallo! Willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. In case you don't know me, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. As in any language, German has three main indicators that show us when something took place. There is the past, the present, and the future. Die Vergangenheit, die Gegenwart, and die Zukunft. So today we're going to talk about present. Specifically, we're going to see how to form verbs in the present tense. This is the first of the three parts about tenses in German. So if you need extra help with these tenses, stay tuned for more videos. Let's get started. The present tense is called in German Präsens and is used for actions that happen in the present, right now. In addition, we also use Präsens for actions that will happen in the near future. In this case, we have to use either a word or a phrase that indicates the future. For example, ich mache meine Hausaufgaben, meaning right now. But ich mache morgen meine Hausaufgaben, meaning tomorrow. Before we learn how to form the verb, we need to know the subject of the verb. That said, we will have to learn first the personal pronouns in German. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, and sie. Let's talk about now how to form those verbs. In German, the infinitive form of a verb has the en at the end. So how do we conjugate the verb? The first step on how to conjugate the verb is to get the ending en out of the infinitive form. When we have done this step, then we can proceed adding these endings. Ich frage, du fragst, sie, es fragt, wir fragen, ihr fragt, sie fragen. However, there are three groups of special verbs in German. The first group consists of the verbs that after we remove the ending en out of the infinitive form, they end with the de or te. For example, finden. How do we conjugate this verb? Ich finde, du findest, sie, es findet, wir finden, ihr findet, and sie finden. So we basically add an extra e in the second and third singular and in the second plural. The second group consists of verbs that after we remove the en out of the infinitive form, they end with s, sz, x, or z. Like the verb reisen. Ich reise, du reist, sie, es reist, wir reisen, ihr reist, sie reisen. And the last group of verbs that is conjugated a little bit differently consists of the verbs that end with the ending eln. For example, klingeln. In this case, we only take out the n out of the infinitive form. And we put the endings that we would put in any other verb, except for the ich form. There, we reverse the ending I and L, and we do this LI. So basically, ich klingle. Now we just talked about the regular verbs in German. However, there are also some irregular verbs. There is a list of these irregular verbs that we just have to learn by heart. This list consists of verbs that change form in the du and sie, es. For example, ich lese, du liest, sie, es liest, wir lesen, ihr lässt, sie lesen. Ich nehme, du nimmst, sie, es nimmt, wir nehmen, ihr nehmt, sie nehmen. And ich fahre, du fährst, sie, es fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. I will make a special video with these verbs, so don't worry, Just stay tuned. So there are 4 verbs that you need to learn by heart. These 4 verbs are very important for you to learn. And this is because they are mostly used in German. So, sein. Ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, and sie sind. Haben. Ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Werden. Ich werde, du wirst, sie es wird, wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden. And wissen. Ich weiß, du weißt, sie es weiß, wir wissen, ihr wisst, sie wissen. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you would like to support me, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you never miss a lesson. And I'll see you all next time. Tschüss!